Hi, today I want to show how to use the Translator API after the changes that were made in Chrome 136. Currently, the API is available in Chrome 138 beta, and it should be available from Chrome 138 stable in the future. I'm going to make the demonstration in the Chrome tab 2 of my Chrome Canary browser. There are 5 steps to use the Translator API. First, you need to make sure the feature is available in the browser. Step number 2, you need to determine whether or not the source language and the target language are available. Step number 3, you need to create a translator with the source language, a target language, an abort signal, and optionally a monitor callback to keep track of the download progress. Step number 4, use the translator to translate the text to your target language. Step number 5, destroy the translator when you are done with it. So I opened a Chrome Dev console on my Chrome Canary browser, and I'm going to show how to call the Translator API to translate a text from a source language to a target language. So the first step is to make sure the feature is supported in the browser. So translator in self. The answer is true, so I can use the Translator API to perform translation. So step 2, let's find out the availability of my source language and my target language. Translator, I need to put a wait because translator dot availability returns a promise. So availability, source language, target language, Spanish. The result is available. It means the model is available in my browser, and I can use the model to translate a text from English to Spanish. So let's try another pair. The result is downloadable. It means I can perform translation from English to Portuguese after the model is downloaded successfully. So you can come to Chrome // on device translation internals and look up the status of different language package. So English to Spanish, the status is installed. So the function call returns available. Down here. English to Portuguese, the status is not installed. So the function returns downloadable. So you may ask, so how do I download the language package programmatically? It is really easy. So await translator, create source language, English, target language, PT, create translator, and then run translator.availability again. This time the result is available, and the status of the language package is updated. It was not installed before, now the status is installed. And I can use this translator to perform translation. So translate. So hello, okay, my name is Connie and I am from Hong Kong. So translator.translate returns a promise, so I need to await the result, right? So hola, mi nome es Connie, soy de Hong Kong. I know a little bit of Spanish and a little bit of Brazilian Portuguese. I can assure you that this translation is correct. So let's try another one. Like, hello, good morning. So how are you today? Hola, bom dia, como você está? Hoje. Yeah. No, hoji, I think. So always remember to free the resource. So destroy the translator. Okay. So after the translator is destroyed, I shouldn't use it to perform another translation. If I try to translate a text using a destroyed translator, an error will be returned. So uncaught abort error. Fail to execute translate on translator. Signal is abort without reason. Okay, so far so good. So let me clear the console. So now I can maybe create a translator to translate from English to Spanish. So hello, and hola. Okay, so what if I try to translate a translate a non-English text to Spanish? Oh, this is wrong. Okay, so if I try to translate a non-English text to Spanish, the translator doesn't return a correct result. Okay, so Guten Morgen. Oh, so German's okay. So Guten Morgen is good morning in German. So I get back the same text. Okay. Wow. Let me see. Bonjour. Bonjour. Oh, I don't know. There is something funny. Okay, so if I try to pass a wrong value to availability, what will happen? So, like English to a target language ABC. So the result is unavailable, and there's a warning. The requested language options are not supported. Okay. So my advice is not to use the Translator API when translator.availability returns unavailable. So this is what I want to show tonight, to show you how it is, how it is to use the API to translate a text on Chrome. Like it's not as hard as before. You and I can do it with a few lines of code on Chrome. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and you can sign up the EPP if you are interested in client-side AI and the API. Then you are able to provide feedback or log issue when they don't work, or you have like ideas to improve the APIs to make them like more accessible, like easier to use, to build demos and application to perform AI tasks locally before using Gemini or Gemma as your fallback strategy. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good night. Bye bye.